Hey everybody, this is Art with Pro Italia here to bring you this beautiful 2022 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory. Do me a favor, you guys, when you call, when you text, whatever the case may be, whether it be Cycle Trader, Moto Hunt, our website, even when you text directly, it really does mean a lot that you guys are calling and asking for Art. It's a 3-letter word, ART, very simple. It helps me to continue to make these videos for you guys to create a better sense of transparency, and since we ship nationwide, it helps a lot. So let's get back to it. We got this Aprilia Tuono 660 factory, bought here new, sold here back again, just not being used as much as they thought. But look at beautiful bike. Let's check it out. It's got ASV lever, little ding there, but nothing here. Nothing on the body work. It just came in. Tires are up to date. No leaks that I can see. It's got the tank grips. It's got tail tidy. Obviously on the factory you do get the quick shifter that you don't get on the base models. Nothing on that one, nothing on that. Let's check it out. Alright. It's got 3,282 miles. Let's give it a cold start. Awesome. Turns on really good. Cruise control. Woo. Give it a little cold start rev. Beautiful. High beam. Turn signals. Brake. There you go. Woo. Come on by, you guys, check it out. We do allow test rides, we do take in trades, we welcome them, and again, like I said before, we do ship nationwide. So whatever the case may be, feel free. Again, ask for Art, 3-letter word, and I'm more than happy to make it fun for you guys and help you guys in any way that I can. Thanks so much and have a great day.